Time to take out your shopping list. The new grocery ads are out today. Smart shopper Daphne Monroe says there are some awesome deals at Valley grocery stores this week.
Valley grocery store ads are in, and you are going to love some deals with Bashas', Sprouts, Sunflower Markets, Fry's, Albertsons, and Safeway.
If you shop at Bashas', you'll score a deal on a gallon of milk for just $1.67. If you need some produce, you can buy up to 4 pounds of red or green seedless grapes for 77 cents a pound. Grab some sweet corn. You can get 8 for just $1. But the deal is only good on Sunday, August 8th. And 8 is the maximum you can buy. But that's an awesome deal. Stock up on cereal at Bashas'. They have Kellogg's select varieties of cereal for $1.99, which is a good price. But if you buy 10, you'll also get a $10 coupon to shop on your next visit. Albertsons shoppers, you'll also score the same deal on a gallon of milk. You buy 2 for just $1.67 each. And if you still need some calcium, you can buy Yoplait yogurt for just 38 cents each when you buy 10. Fry's shoppers, you're going to score with chicken leg quarters sold in a 10-pound bag for just 59 cents a pound. If your kids need snacks for school, you can get Keebler crackers or cookies and Lay's potato chips, all for $1.88 a bag. If you want your kids to have something closer to Mother Nature, then buy some pineapple for just $1. Safeway shoppers, you can score some ground beef for $1.29 a pound. But you have to spend at least $10, and you must buy a 5-pound package or more to get it at that price. Sprout shoppers, get your strawberries for just 88 cents a pound. And if you shop at Sunflower Markets, you can buy red, green, or black seedless grapes for just 69 cents a pound.
Some great savings at Valley grocery stores. And if you have coupons, don't forget to clip those too so you can maximize your savings. And if you plan on shopping at either Fry's or Bashas' today and you're 55 years or older, you'll save 10% on your entire bill. And Albertsons has that same deal, but it includes military, and it's on Saturday. So make sure to make that grocery list too and stick with it so you can maximize your money. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.